A few weeks ago, I was in Oakland, California, where I came across a random carnival booth selling a bunch of rocks and minerals. In this collection of odd horoscope crystals, I found, and I kid you not, gold. So I bought some, this much exactly, for just $5.
Now, some might say that bought is a bit of a mischaracterization of how I obtained that gold. But it was acquired for educational purposes only, so according to line 8 of the 20th Amendment of the US Constitution, I should be fine. Anyways, I took the gold home, and before doing any chemistry on it, I did a bit of physical analysis. Touching it, feeling it, and really just caressing it all around. To be completely honest though, I was a little disappointed because I thought this much gold would be much heavier than it actually was. Gold is one of the densest elements, so even a little bit of it should be heavy. But I figured it just felt light, thanks to the gains. I also noticed lots of little bits and pieces of the gold debris scattered around, which was a bit weird because I don't think gold is brittle. It's usually pretty malleable, meaning that if I hit it with a hammer, it just flattens. But this was also a great opportunity. Because those pieces were so small, I could observe them under a microscope and get a better look at the texture of the gold. So I put the tiny pieces of gold debris on a microscope slide and then stuck it under a microscope. And immediately I noticed something kind of odd. Pure gold under a microscope is shiny and has smooth edges. This mineral was a lot more rugged and sharp on the edges. You could see this even better with greater magnification, and the mineral also reflected this weird blue-gray color, which was also pretty odd. In fact, what I saw reminded me a lot of another compound called iron disulfide. And that's when I realized I'd been completely pranked. This is iron disulfide, but I thought it was gold. Because I'm foolish chemist, and this is fool's gold.